Who are the people of Gaza, brothers and sisters? The people of Gaza are merely Palestinians who lived outside in different villages and neighborhoods and cities in Palestine before 1948, before Israel became a state. When the massacres began in 1948 in the first massacre called Deir Yassin, in which it was an atrocity and a massacre and murder, the people ran away from their villages and cities. Where did they go? They went as refugees to a little small tiny strip of land which is surrounded by the Mediterranean Sea, a little bit by Egypt, and the rest of it by the Israeli state today. It is a small pocket about 40 kilometers long, 11 kilometers wide. It is called the Gaza Strip. These Palestinians are refugees, thinking that they were going to get temporary safety and security there, only to know that the military came in, blocked them, did not allow them to leave for 75 years. And for 16 years straight, complete blockage. Nobody can come in, nobody can get out. There are villages and cities a walking distance away from Gaza. Wallahi, they cannot even walk back to their cities. And so they were trapped there in what is famously called an open air prison. Children who are born there haven't even reached 16 years old. They don't know what the world is like. All they've seen is a prison. They will probably never see themselves growing up, graduating with a degree or an education. They will never see electricity in a full day. They will never know if they will have water tomorrow. They'll probably die of thirst, which is actually what's happening. These children who are born there, they have never had a day without gunfires and shots and missiles. They've become so immune to them that it's very normal as they play skippy and hopscotch and all that stuff, whatever it is, games that little children play, while the missiles above them are falling. Some of them have never been able to see another Palestinian outside of Gaza. What is their crime? We saw the man who is in the rubbles of his building that had fallen. He's holding a big teddy bear next to him and another doll. His wife and 2 children whom he loved, buried under the rubble. We all saw it. What is his crime? What are their crime?